Good morning. A bit of a cloudy start in places today, misty and foggy on the tops of the Pennines. Showers already developing across the northwest, and we'll continue to see these this afternoon. Quite breezy conditions, some brightness around, and temperatures will get to around 16, maybe 17 Celsius this afternoon. Have a good day. Hello, a very good morning to you. Rather a cloudy start today with outbreaks of rain, but things improving just a little bit as we go through the next few hours. As we can see on the satellite and radar image, quite a few showers around, and this will continue to be the case this afternoon. In between, a few bright spells, but it's a fairly unsettled day, increasingly breezy conditions as well. And as a consequence, 15 or 16 Celsius will feel rather cool. Heading through into this evening, and for a time further showers will be feeding through across the region. One or two sharp ones, winds picking up a little bit more into the early hours of tomorrow morning. And then as we get towards dawn, something slightly drier and quieter, but plenty of cloud cover and another mild night to come. Increasingly breezy conditions for Irish sea coasts through tomorrow morning, and a cloudy start for many of us. Again, there will be a few showers around through the first part of the day, but the afternoon looks a good deal drier across the board. Some sunshine perhaps if you're lucky, and temperature wise it'll nudge up to around 17 Celsius, but that fresh southwesterly wind will lend a cooler feel to our weather. Temperatures will be picking up as we go through the week. By the time we get to Friday and the weekend, up to 19 or 20 degrees, settling down for Saturday. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye. Thank you. A very good afternoon to you. Slight improvement through our weather this afternoon into this evening. Still quite showery out there and breezy too, with a cool feel to the day. Overnight tonight, further showers for a time, winds increasing in strength along Irish sea coast, but the early hours of tomorrow morning will begin to see drier weather moving in, remaining rather cloudy, and it's a mild night at around 11 or 12 degrees. Tomorrow will start on a cloudy note with a few residual showers across the northwest to start the day. We will see an improvement during the afternoon, slightly brighter, drier conditions, but it's windy. 17 Celsius, our top temperature. Bye-bye. Hello again. It's an improving picture weather-wise as we go through this week with some warmer air feeding up from the continent from Thursday, Friday and into the weekend. There's something slightly more settled awaiting us. But before then, remaining rather unsettled with the threat of some rain around over the next couple of days. And this afternoon and into this evening, further showers for a time, after midnight becoming a little drier, quite a good deal of cloud around, and winds increasing in strength, especially for exposed western coast as we head towards dawn. A mild night ahead, 11 or 12 degrees. On to tomorrow's details. Quite a cloudy start here in the northwest, one or two residual showers early doors, and then things will improve. In fact, skies could brighten just a little bit, one or two sunny spells to look forward to, a fresh southwesterly breeze, and the small risk of an isolated shower later on the day, but in general a good deal drier. 17, maybe 18 Celsius at best. It's starting to feel a little warmer as we go through the rest of the week, but remains more unsettled on Thursday and Friday. By the end of Friday, drier conditions, maybe some late brightness, and beginning to feel a little warmer at 19 degrees. And by the time we get to the weekend, up to 21 Celsius, 70 Fahrenheit, with lots of sunshine to look forward to. Bye-bye for now. And the trees are starting to turn here in the northwest. We could just do with some nice autumnal sunshine. It's on the way, and so is the forecast. And Eric, like all of us, is hoping for a bit of sunshine to end the week. It is on the way, and so is the forecast in just a short while. Thank you. A very good evening to you. Our weather will be improving by the time we get to the weekend, but before that, some showery rain in the forecast and very breezy conditions here in the northwest during tomorrow. By the time we get to the end of the week, though, that feed of warm air from Europe will be giving us some very good temperatures for the time of year, and things will be settling down. We've had a very active jet stream over the last week or so, and it's been pushing low pressure systems in across the country. But by the time we get to the weekend, a nice warm feed of air and something more settled moving in across many parts of England at least. Now back to this evening, showers will continue to feed through for a time. Gradually after midnight, these will tend to die away. Lots of cloud around tonight and that breeze picking up for Irish sea coast before dawn. So it's going to be a mild night, 11 or 12 degrees before tomorrow morning. Now quite windy conditions to wake up to tomorrow, and the sun will be rising at 17 minutes past 7, setting at 6:41 tomorrow evening. A cloudy start here in the northwest, 1 or 2 residual showers to start the day, and that breeze really making itself felt for exposed western coasts and up on higher ground through the day. Skies will brighten into the afternoon. There'll be the odd isolated shower, but it is looking a good deal drier than today. And temperature-wise, it could sneak up to around 17 Celsius during tomorrow afternoon. Looking ahead, and it's not plain sailing through the middle part of the week. Thursday and the beginning of Friday, rather damp conditions and cloudy. As we go through to Friday afternoon, perhaps some brightness and temperatures beginning to perk up into the weekend. Settled, dry, feeling warmer with some sunshine.